What happens when luxury meets performance? Welcome to the Rolls Royce Cullinan Black Badge Series 2. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's windy, we start again. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we show you the brand new Cullinan Black Badge Series 2, one of the first in Germany. We installed already 24-inch SP3 wheels. We have a lowering kit on it and a flap activated exhaust, what we hear later. It's so windy today, so I would say we go directly for drive. You all remember our first Cullinan overdose, the white body kit on the black car. That's already 3 years ago. That's totally insane. After that, we did a gray one. That was the Overdose S, the second version for Cullinan white body kit from our side. That was our own facelift to the car because we had our thoughts that it's existing too long already, so we built a facelift of it. I would say we bring a Overdose SS. No SS. Maybe we bring an Overdose S2 for Series 2, I don't know. So we will see a white body kit for this car too. What I really like on this car, you have now the dashboard, it looks a little bit like on the Spectre, except the range is higher. But anything else looks the same, so I really like this. It's a little bit shiny over there, as well as the small Emily under the watch on the dashboard. That looks way more exclusive than before. Before it was only a steel plate or something, kind of boring for my opinion. That's small details, but big difference. So you're probably thinking, how low can it go? A luxury SUV like this. And with 24-inch, we at Spofec developed a lowering kit for that. So you can be around 3.5 centimeters lower than the standard height. Doesn't matter if it's in drive mode or in park mode. So let's see how low it will be. On the Rolls Royce, the front shield is so mirrored, covered, tinted, I don't know how to say it, that I guess you barely see me from the outside. But I thought it looks cool, so we did it anyway. So if you're wondering why I'm here again, Josh is still on holiday. No, Josh is the wrong guy. Josh is back. Bjorn is on holiday, so that's why I'm sitting here. Rolls-Royce isn't just about power and looks. Step inside and it's like stepping into your own personal 5-star hotel. The hand-stitched leather, the detailed craftsmanship, it's more comfortable than my actual living room. Actually, this is my living room now. Cheers!
And yeah, hey, der Builder Garden, nice. Guten Tag!
Servus.
Wann kommt er bei mir vorbei?
Ah?
Wann kommt er bei mir vorbei?
Weiß ich jetzt.
Yep, that's how it works on the countryside.
Okay, we've seen now how it feels and looks inside the car, but you're probably wondering how the car sounds from outside. So I would say we test a little button here. Thanks to our flap exhaust system, this Cullinan has a split personality. You can go from CEO silent to monster mode. completely in the countryside, you know our landscape already. Everything is green right now. It looks beautiful. And that's the only thing what I like in green. Especially when I think about our government, that's the worst what you can choose. But anyway, different story. Yeah, we are in a V12 when we talk about green. And that's good. Because you have a range like 580 kilometers. And when I see the dashboard, I imagine I'm in a Spectre because it looks the same. Looking on the range on the Spectre, it shows more than maybe 200 kilometers. So, yeah. I'm glad they put a V12 in that. That's the point. Oh, you see the marks over here? I think somebody had some issues with the clutch. I guess it wasn't me. Don't drive and talk. Brate moi steima.
Whether you're cruising downtown or on a cross-country road trip, the Spofec Cullinan Black Badge gives you the best of both worlds. Luxury, power, and a sound that turns heads.
You see? It works. Everybody's turning around his heads when you drive with this car somewhere. Doesn't matter where. And if you compare it, we are sitting right now in a 707 horsepower car with over 1000 Newton meter. And if you think about a time like a couple years ago, a supercar, a hypercar like a Ferrari F40 only had 480 horsepower and 550 Newton meters of torque. So that's completely insane where we go now. We are in a luxury SUV where you have everything, seat cooling, seat heating, massage seats. That's a good point. Yep. You have a fridge in the back and you have more horsepower, more Newton meter than any supercar 20 years ago. Feel free to subscribe, hit the like button. Please let us know in the comments what you like on the car, what you don't like, what you like on the video. If the sound is good this time, sorry for the last time. And let us know what you would like to do with this car if you have the key for one day. If you would flex in the city, go to the club with the car, go to the beach. I don't know where you're living, go to the mountains. Makes no sense with that heavy car, but anyway. Oh, what the f is this? Wait a second. Rocker Church for Jesus Christ. Okay. Yeah, okay.